Where's your unicorn? Oh, can you follow your unicorn? Where is it? Where is it? Good girl. Over here. Hello, unicorn. You hold your unicorn. That's it. Hold on to your unicorn. Ready? Good girl. Hold on. Hold on. Good girl, Lulu. Here's your unicorn. Good girl. Are you holding your unicorn? Have you got it in your fingers? Where is it in your fingers? Good girl. Good gripping. Good gripping. Hold on. You gonna hold on to Mummy's fingers? Oh, good girl. Hold on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Where's your unicorn? Let's follow it. You ready? Here it is. Now it's over here. Good girl. Now it's over here. Good tracking. Now it's over here. Where's your unicorn? Can you find it? Good girl. And hello. Good girl. You love your unicorn, don't you? Mwah. Mwah. Is that nice, Lulu? You having a float with Papa?
She's very relaxed. Very relaxed.
She absolutely loves her bath.
So now she's 1 month old. How's she going? What do you think she's doing?
She's going great. She is so much more alert. She's starting to track. Lulu, can you see Mummy's hand? No, she's too relaxed.
She's very relaxed. What I want is stimulation in the bath. And of course we know that stimulation is sight, sound, taste, touch, smell. And this is touch stimulation where I can run this water all over her little body. Oh, she's loving that. She's loving it. And water is the only place where a little baby is totally stimulated because she's fully submerged. Have a look at, she was looking right at me then. So we want to give her lots of this stimulation on her little feet, on her little hands, oh, on the tummy. That is so good, my darling. You are so good. You are now so alert. So for little babies, I think, for their water experience at this age, it's all about water stimulation because we know that stimulation helps build those synapses which wire the brain, wire the body back to the brain for future movement and intelligence. So one is stimulation, number one, and water is the best stimulant. Two, with little babies, and I want to do a couple of these in a minute, is breath control. Breath control. When you do this, hold the baby upright, use a verbal trigger, Luella, ready, go, and then pour it evenly over the face. That's how we use our breath control. It's called conditioning the baby for submersion.
Before she hopped in the bath, she was actually a little bit grizzly, but as soon as she hits the bath every night, she relaxes and she's so happy. And it's even if we come in when the bath is running or the shower's running, she relaxes as soon as she hears that rush of the water, which is absolutely beautiful. We've been setting a nice bath time evening routine. So every night we either pop her in the bath or the shower, and we do a swimming lesson where we do some conditioning and some stimulation of the water over her tummy and over her hands and legs. which is what you're doing right now, Laurie.
Yeah.
Or we do it in the shower where I hold her and the water runs over her back and over her tummy, and then we do some conditioning with the cup, which is upright and pouring the water over her face, or we pop her under the shower after using the trigger words.
Well, right now, she's virtually floating on my leg. She's back, relaxed, floating on my leg. It's just so nice.
She's so happy, and it actually tires her out. So whenever she hops out of the bath, she's actually very tired, which is a great way to establish that bedtime routine as well. So she knows after she has her bath, she has a feed, and then it's time for bed.
Perfect.